We have seen a lot of changes in 2025. AI being one of them, and trends being another. Of course, trends in fashion are continuously changing anyway. Every time you turn around, there's a new trend, new fashion. In today's video, I am going to tell you what I predict in our crochet world for 2026 from my observations that I had throughout 2025. Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and this is where I research, I study, I share, and I teach all things crochet. So at the end of this video, if you have liked it and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Okay, first we're going to start off with Amigurumi projects. Amigurumi Crochet has taken over the crochet industry, and some beautiful, beautiful creations have been designed and put out there for product sales and for pattern sales. That's not going to change. However, I believe that you are going to see a lot more of these little guys crocheted with worsted yarn instead of the plushies that we've been seeing a lot of. And these little guys are going to be used a lot for keychains, hanging on a car mirror, or even just used as a little knick-knack in the house or in your child's bedroom. Yes, there's still going to be a lot of amigurumi plushies, but I really believe in 2026 that you're going to see a lot more of the amigurumi items that are crocheted with worsted yarn. It's an altogether different look. So that's my prediction for amigurumi little tiny things. And still in talking about amigurumi, in the larger animals as well as in the smaller ones, I think that we are going to see an awful lot of reptiles, things in the reptile family. That was huge in 2025, but I think it's going to continue in 2026. And when I say reptile family, I am talking alligators or crocodiles, dragons, of course, dragons were huge and dragons are going to continue to be huge, turtles, and lizards. And again, I think you are going to see a lot of them being crocheted using worsted yarn versus the plushie yarn. So moving away from the amigurumi items, let's talk about what I am predicting in our traditional crochet world. I think that you are going to see a lot of the household items come back. It used to be a thing back in the 70s and the 80s. I think you're going to see an awful lot of them start to come back as decor. Kitchen items, for example. I think you're going to see a lot more of the hanging dish towels come back, pot holders, dishcloths. I got to tell you, I love my crochet dishcloths. You crochet them in cotton. They absorb water very well if you're wiping up spills and messes, and I really, really love my crochet dishcloths. And coasters. Crochet coasters for all occasions and just to have around your house, in your kitchen, in your living room, on your coffee table or your end tables. Even doilies might be coming back, but I see a lot more of the coasters. And last but not least, in the traditional crochet world, as far as household items go, I really think that we're going to see a lot more of these sets of throw blankets and throw pillows. And if you notice, this one has crocheted cables. Generally, we see the cables in knit, but crocheted cables are going to be a big thing when it comes to crocheting blankets and pillow covers and apparel, which is our next category. We are going to continue seeing a lot of cardigans and a lot of tunics. This seems to be the in thing when it comes to crochet apparel. Everybody loves a nice cozy cardigan, or even just a throw cardigan for the springtime or in the middle of the summer on the beach. And tunics are awesome for a nice cool cover over a tank top or a bathing suit. And we're going to see a lot of them as well. We saw quite a few of them in 25, but I think we're going to see a lot more of them in 26. And then, of course, you have your accessories, like this set is a bandana, a belt, and some soleless sandals. You're going to see a lot of these individually as well. Now, as far as the 2026 colors for the year, Dunn Edwards Paints have predicted that these are going to be the paint colors for 2026, and I believe that these are going to also be the popular yarn colors that are going to be used as well. And these colors are really, really beautiful. I absolutely love them. They're more in the softer, deeper colors. Matter of fact, my brand colors are a lot of these, and I just think they're really beautiful colors. Now, Pantone color of the year is Cloud Dancer 11-4201. And this is what they say about the color Cloud Dancer. A whisper of tranquility and peace in a noisy world. We all need that. Introducing Pantone color of the year 2026, Pantone 11-4201 Cloud Dancer, a lofty white that serves as a symbol of calming influence in a society rediscovering the value of quiet reflection. A billowing white imbued with serenity, Pantone 11-4201 Cloud Dancer encourages true relaxation and focus, allowing the mind to wander and creativity to breathe, making room for innovation. So that is my prediction for 2026 in our crochet world. Tell me what your predictions may be. And until next time, bye.